Good morning, students. Welcome to the Grand Manjari Modern School. Today, we are taking the standard 7 and chapter number 8 and exercise 8a. And chapter number 8, there is a ratio and proportion, right? So, last session में हमने exercise 8a में topic question 1, 2, 3 हमने देख लेते थे. Now we are taking the question number 4 from the exercise 8a. Question number 4, that is, in a farmhouse, there are 80 cows and 30 buffaloes. In a farmhouse, there are 80 cows and 30 buffaloes. Okay, what is the ratio of the cows to the buffaloes? What is the ratio of cows to the buffaloes? क्लियर? हमको किसका फाइंड करना है? काउस टू बफेलोज का फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, तो हम काउस टू बफेलोज यानी कि देयरफॉर number of cows there are 80 and number of buffaloes there are 30. So therefore cows upon buffaloes, ratio of the cows to the buffalo, there is 80 upon 30. Okay, so 0 0 cancel out, so answer is 8 upon 3. So therefore your ratio will be 8:3. Clear? The answer will be 8:3. Note down this one. Now we are taking the next question, question number 5. Question number 5, that is, in a packet of a screw, for every 20 sweets, there are 4 chocolate bars and remaining were toffees. Total number of sweets there are equal to the 20. Okay, number of chocolates there are 4 and remainings are toffee. So remainings are number of toffees. Is equal to remaining, there is 20 minus 4, that is equal to the 16. Okay, find the ratio of toffees to the chocolate. Find the ratio of toffees to the chocolate. Okay, so therefore number of chocolates upon number of toffees Okay, number of chocolates there is 4, number of toffees there is 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are, then answer is 1/4. So therefore final answer ratio there is 1:4. Clear? Understood? Note down this one. Next, question number 6. The measure of two angles are in the ratio 7:8 and they are supplementary angles. Measure of two angles are in the ratio that is 7:8 and they are supplementary angles, and both of the angles are supplementary angles. Angles are supplementary. Okay. What are they measure in degrees? उनके एंगल का मेजरमेंट कितना है वो आपको बताना है. नाउ बोथ ऑफ द एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्रीज. आपको उनके एंगल्स कितने हैं, एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट कितना है वो आपको बताना है. ठीक है. सो अगेन रेशियोज दिया गया है और बोथ ऑफ द एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री. ओके. सो देयरफॉर both angles are both of the angles are supplementary. Okay, so therefore sum of two angles equal to the 180 डिग्री. राइट. सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स यानी कि जो दो एंगल्स जो है दोनों सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स हैं, यानी कि दोनों एंगल्स का सम कितना है 180 डिग्री. ठीक है. अगर सप्लीमेंट्री है तो दोनों का टोटल कितना होगा 180 डिग्री. नाउ हियर रेशियो इज गिवन. रेशियो इज इक्वल टू 7:8. रेशियो जो है 7:8 है. तो देयरफॉर हम उसका एडिशन करेंगे. टोटल हमारे पास कितना है 7 + 8 = 15. राइट. टोटल कितना होगा 15 होगा. सो नाउ फॉर द फर्स्ट एंगल व्हाट कैन वी डू. फर्स्ट एंगल कौन सा है 7 अपॉन टोटल देयर इज 15 इनटू सम ऑफ द टू एंगल इज 180. 15 12 are 180, 7 12 are 84. One of the angle that is 84 degree. Next, for second angle. For second angle, there is a second angle will be 8 upon total 15 into sum of the two angles is 180. So 15 12 are 180. So 12 8 are 96 degree. Clear? So one of the angle there is 84 degree and second one is 96 degree. Clear? Note down this one. Question number 7. Question number 7, that is the side of the rectangular field are in the ratio 9:7. Sides are in ratio is equal to 9:7 and perimeter is 144. Perimeter is equal to 144 meter. Find the sides. We need to find the sides. So same thing we are doing it here. That is, first of all we are taking total ratio is equal to the 9:7. Therefore 9 plus 7, that is 16, right? So therefore for first side कितनी है, कौन सी आएगी? That is 9 upon total 16 into perimeter is 144. Okay, so 16 is divisible by 144. 16 is divisible by 144. Yes, 16 9s are 144. Then 9 9s are 81 meter. Okay, and for the second side, therefore for second side, that is second side will be 7 upon total will be 16 into perimeter is given 144. 16 9s are 144 and 7 9s are 63 meter. Okay, second side will be 63 meter. Clear? Note down this one. Now we are taking next question, question number 8. Sides of the rectangular piece are in the ratio 2:3. Sides are in ratio 2:3. And area is 150 meter square. Area is equal to 150 meter square. Okay, find the length of its sides. We need to find the length of its sides. Okay, so for the length of its sides, same thing we are doing it here. Ratio is given, that is 2:3. So therefore 2 plus 3, that are equal to the 5. So now therefore first side, that is 2 total 5 into area 150. 5 3s are 15, 30, then 32s are 60 meter is your first side. Okay, and therefore second side 3 upon 5 into 150. 5 3s are 15, 30, then 3 3s are 9. 90 meter is your second side. Okay, dear students, at here we are taking the mistake at here. Okay, so we are taking correction first of all. So rub all the things that are noted down at here for question number 8. Okay, so here area of the rectangular piece is given. Okay, so as per the area is given, so we are taking the formula of area. Okay, side of the rectangular piece are in the 2:3 and area is given. So therefore we are taking area of the rectangle that is equal to 150. Okay, and area of rectangle that is L into B. So we are first taking L into B. Area is 150 equal to L into B. So here what is the length and what is the breadth of the rectangle? That is 2:3. ओके, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ का रेशियो हमको दिया गया है 2:3. तो हम यहाँ पे लेंगे लेट लेंथ इक्वल टू 2x and let breadth equal to 3x. So therefore we are taking 150 equal to 2x into 3x. So therefore 150 equal to 3 2 are 6, x into x, x square. 6 are divisible with the 150. So 150 by 6 equal to x square. So 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 15, 0 2 1s are 2 25s are. So answer will be, therefore x square equal to 25. Square is shifted to second side to form a square root. Then square root of 25 we know about that. स्क्वायर रूट कितना आएगा 25 का? कौन से नंबर को 2 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 25 आएगा? 5 को, राइट? सो योर आंसर इज 5 meter for x. Okay, the answer is 5 meter for x. Clear? So now x is 5 meter, then length there is length there is 2x. So 2 into 5 there is 10 meter, right? 2 into 5 there is 10 meter. And breadth is equal to 3x. So 3 into 5 there is 15 meter. Clear? Understood? Now note down this one. Now question number 9. We are doing question number 9 same as the question number 7 or either question number 8. Both of the method are allowed. Okay. क्वेश्चन 8 में जो हमने मेथड की वो भी आप कर सकते हो, क्वेश्चन 7 में हमने जो मेथड की वो भी आप कर सकते हो. दोनों मेथड अलाउ है. For question number 9, sides of the triangle are in the 2:3:4. Sides of triangle is equal to the 2:3:4. ट्राइंगल्स की साइड का रेशियो 2:3:4 है. And perimeter is 63 meter. What are the length of the side? Length of side क्या होगी? So same thing we are taking it here. मैं दोनों मेथड आपको समझा देता हूँ और दोनों मेथड से मैं कोई भी मेथड आप कर सकते हो. ठीक है? So first method, let first side is equal to 2x, second side equal to 3x, and the third side is equal to 4x. So therefore perimeter of triangle equal to side plus side plus side. Okay, side plus side plus side. So perimeter is given as a 63 is equal to first side 2x, second side 3x, and third side is 4x. So therefore 63 equal to 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 9x. So therefore x will be 63 by 9. 9 sevens are 63. So therefore value of x that is equal to the 7, right? So value of x that is 7. So first side will be 2 into 7, that is 14 meter. 3 into 7, that is 21 meter. And 4 into 7, that is 28 meter. Clear? Understood? क्लियर? नाउ अगेन दूसरी मेथड से करके देखते हैं. सेकंड मेथड दैट आई ऑलरेडी टीच यू, दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक रेशियो इज इक्वल टू 2:3:4. टेक सम ऑफ ऑल दिस नंबर 2 plus 3 plus 4, so there is a 9. Okay, so therefore for first side find करनी है तो first side for there is 9 upon first side कौन सी है 2 upon total 9 into perimeter is given as a 63. So 7 9s are 63, 7 2s are 14 meter. For second side there will be 3 upon total 9 into perimeter is given 63. So 7 9s are 63. Okay, 7 9s are 63, 7 3s are 21 meter. And for third side will be 4 upon total 9 into perimeter is given 63. So 4 upon 9 into 63, 9 7s are 63, 7 4s are 28 meter. क्लियर? तो दोनों में आंसर सेम ही आ रहा है, कोई भी मेथड करोगे तो चलेगा. क्लियर? सो यू गॉट द सेम आंसर इन बोथ ऑफ द मेथड. अगर पेरीमीटर दिया गया हो तो, राइट? अगर एरिया होगा तो एरिया में आपको ये मेथड करनी है सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये मेथड, वो मेथड से आंसर नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? पेरीमीटर होगा तो दोनों में से कोई भी मेथड आप करोगे तो चलेगा. अंडरस्टूड? सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एट हियर वी आर कंप्लीटिंग टुडेज लेक्चर. आज का लेक्चर हम यहीं पे कंप्लीट करते हैं. सो इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर यू हैव टू टेक दी ऑल दी सम्स फ्रॉम द 10 to 15. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपको होमवर्क के लिए आपको करना है 10 to 15. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम जो है जाएंगे सीधा प्रोपोर्शन में. आप लोगों को होमवर्क में क्या करना है, नाउ क्वेश्चन 10 to 15 टेक इन योर होमवर्क. बाकी के जो रिमेनिंग सम्स हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 से 15 तक वो आपको होमवर्क में करने हैं खुद से. अगर कोई क्वेरी हो या डाउट हो तो आप 8:45 और 9 के बीच में सेंड कर सकते हो. अगर कोई क्वेरी नहीं है देन वेल एंड गुड. ओके, so do it yourself. So till then, goodbye and stay blessed.